Buddy, this is Paulio Jr. again, and I don't believe I have made a video about this site, but it's been around for quite a while, and I actually did used to use this site when I had a couple of websites and I had pretty large files, and for people to download and so forth. So literally, the site is called filehosting.org, and again, I try to keep it simple here. Your file could be 100 gigabytes. It doesn't matter. You just have to go in whatever web browser you're using, whether it be on your phone, tablet, laptop, computer, doesn't matter. Just get in a web browser, find the whatever it is, video, image, etc. file, hit choose file, grab that, and then enter your email address. Now, you're not signing up for anything, so you'll see once you select the file, you put in your email address, you accept the terms, make sure you read them, and then hit upload now. You'll see a little percentage bar pop up. It's like in the bottom left hand corner typically, and it'll tell you, it'll start at 1%, 2%, etc. until it gets to 100%. Then it tells you right here that just upload the file you want to share with your friends, and we send you a download link to your file. So that's all. This is literally it. You upload your file. They send, however big it is, you send it. They send it to your email address, the download link, and then you can put that link anywhere. You can put it on your website. You can put it on any social media, whatever it is. So obviously, I always just have to say, use it responsibly. But say you're running out of space on, I don't know, like Google Drive or something like that, or whatever it is, OneDrive, blah, blah, blah. You can simply, as long as I would suggest probably putting this in like a folder in your email, so you know exactly what the file is. So make sure when you upload the file, make sure you name it what it is, and then maybe put it in a folder that says file hosting or extra storage, something like that. But it's literally unlimited storage, and that you have access to via the link in your email, and that link you can share to anybody. So yeah, I highly recommend filehosting.org. I like anything else, I wouldn't put anything super sensitive on it, unless you had it extremely password protected or encrypted, something like that. But it is cool to have extra space out there, and 100% this works. I've uploaded a ton of files here, and it's not like you can go and access them and delete them. They'll just always be there and ready. So that's it. So choose your file, put in your email address, accept the terms, upload it, and then they send you a link to your email, and then share that link to whoever you want, or keep it for yourself in case you want to download that specific file at a later date. So yeah, that's simple. So free unlimited storage, and you don't have to sign up. Pretty freaking awesome. This is not an app, this is a site. So that's it. There's no dashboard or anything like that. This is it. So you just can't lose that link. Do not use the link. Do not lose the link that they send you in your email. So that's it. So hopefully this helps somebody out. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.